Efficient CAPTCHA solving starts with smarter proxy architecture. Here's how to integrate IPRoyal Proxies with NextCaptcha to reduce costs, avoid bans, and scale with confidence. CAPTCHAs aren't just stopping bots. They're also breaking legitimate, high-volume automation. With millions of automation failures every day, they disrupt scrapers, break workflows, and increase costs. That's where tools like NextCaptcha come in. Thanks to advanced machine learning algorithms, it automatically solves CAPTCHAs, keeping tasks like web scraping, form submission, and account automation fast and efficient. Some of the things that make it stand out include AI-powered CAPTCHA solving, usually between 3 to 10 seconds depending on type. Support for all major CAPTCHA types, including reCAPTCHA version 2, version 3, Enterprise, Age CAPTCHA, Fun CAPTCHA, and more. Simple API integration with clear multi-language documentation. Flexible pricing model, where you only pay for successfully solved CAPTCHAs. But solving CAPTCHAs with NextCaptcha isn't enough in high-volume automation. You also need reliable rotating proxies to avoid triggering them in the first place. With residential proxies, you reduce CAPTCHA checks and minimize the risk of blocks, ensuring efficiency and optimizing solving costs. On top of that, residential proxies help you gain access to geo-restricted content and avoid IP bans, making it easier to automate at scale across use cases like scraping, ad verification, SEO monitoring, and account creation. Let's see how to start using NextCaptcha with IPRoyal Proxies to minimize interruptions and maximize performance. Go to nextcaptcha.com and create an account, or log in if you already have one. Head to the NextCaptcha documentation section to understand how to integrate it into your project. Visit your IPRoyal dashboard and configure your proxies. We'll use high-end residential proxies from Pennsylvania, United States with rotating IPs. Copy your proxy credentials or the proxy hostname, port, username, and password, and add them into your NextCaptcha API request. Here's an example. Let's break it down. This is your NextCaptcha API key found in your dashboard. This defines what type of CAPTCHA you're solving. In this case, it's reCAPTCHA version 3. You can use reCAPTCHA version 3 task or reCAPTCHA version 3 task proxy list, depending on website behavior. This is the page hosting the CAPTCHA challenge. This is the site key extracted from the page's source code. This is the protocol your proxy uses. IPRoyal supports both HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5 by default, so you can simply choose the one that fits your tool or project. This is the proxy hostname, the proxy port, the proxy username, and the proxy password. Don't forget to verify the integration with a controlled test run before going live. You can do this by monitoring request success rates, response times, and CAPTCHA solving accuracy with tools like browser automation logs, HTTP traffic sniffers like Fiddler or Charles Proxy, and NextCaptcha response logs to ensure tokens are correctly returned and used. By combining NextCaptcha with reliable residential IPs, you're not just solving CAPTCHAs, you're avoiding them, reducing failure rates, and gaining the flexibility to scale automation with confidence. If you're building or optimizing a high-volume setup, talk to our team at IPRoyal. We can help you design a proxy strategy that fits your infrastructure and scales with your goals.